All right, I'm ready to go. A little bit of cleanup on the backyard scale park here during a big melt. And I want to take out Tango. Recently, I just upgraded the ESCs in a video I did on my channel. As well as you may have noticed that I did switch over to the tires that I have. These are the Super Swampers. I did cut them down. 2.2 size on the RC four-wheel drive military style beadlocks. As well as I have wrapped the cage in a few of my own stickers and decals and just kind of did a cut wrap, which is kind of fun, around the bars. So if you notice that, you'll see that the bars are a little bit of a different color. Driver on the inside is from an Axial SMT10, the Gravedigger, and of course I did go over this vehicle in great detail. I'd love to start it up and get it out on the go. I did add a sound kit to it because a rock bouncer should have something like that. Beautiful. In 3, 2. So I could go brushless in this thing, but the brushed still gives me a heck of a lot of speed. Towards the seesaw now, I have very muddy tires. Oh, a little bit slippery. I love being out in the sunlight. Mounting up on the seesaw for the first time in the spring 2019, and my tires are too wide. Look at this, come on in. My axle is just a little bit too wide before it hooks up on the extension. That's okay, a little bit of torque and wheel speed help pulls me up. Gonna be very careful on this teeter-totter. Tango is a very heavy vehicle because the actual cage itself is heavy. That cage weighing in at a good 8 pounds. Metal axles, metal wheels, and a little bit of wheel speed to help me traverse. It planted very well. Very slippery on the surface, so I'm gonna have to go a little bit quicker. Oh, just what I didn't want. Axle hanger. Look at that. And a tire ripper. Rear steer coming in handy here. Good to go, good to go. Just the back tire steering me, positioning me to go up the ramp. This is the obstacle ramp where I actually test articulation with different types of obstacles on the ramp itself. Very slippery. You'll see that my front axle is actually underdriven right now. I'm gonna switch this around, and what I mean by that is my rear axle is moving faster than my front axle. See this? Yeah, so my rear is actually pushing me a little quicker. So I'm gonna change that on my radio. So my front axle is actually going a little bit faster than the rear axle. And so I can pull myself up this ramp instead. Nice little hop at the end. And ease my way down into the nice hill. Oh, that was easy. MOA. Motor on axle. That looked pretty cool. Let's try this side. We'll go up with a little bit of speed, see if we can do it here. Well, that looked pretty awesome. Let's bring it down to the swamp where everything is melting. Such a great looking rig. Normally this is all dug out, but look at this. This is under the bridge. All the pool water here. Ooh-wee, that looks cold. Oh, look at this. You can see the water vibrating from the sound box in the back. Hit that subscribe button and that notify button so you're aware of when my videos come out, and I'll show you in the next few episodes how to waterproof this sound kit. Now let's try to get out of here. Beautiful crawl, so easy up and onto the rocks. Over the fountain area. This is normally where I have a fountain in the summer. Into the pit. Very steep and then up again to really test articulation and belly drag. And then down into the swamp again. A little rear steer here would help me get up onto that ice. Beautiful. Come on. Oh, nice recovery. Like a boss. Well, there you go, guys. A good look at Tango out on the backyard scale park. First run of the spring for me, 2019. I love this rig. If you guys want to find out more about it, make sure to check out my other episodes on Tango, the rock bouncer. See you in the next episode of RC Adventures. I'm gonna go for round 2. Yeah. Oh.